Hello here. How I optimize hosting our business account. The resource limit I have optimized this website. So this is the five website limit business, but two website was using. So the another website is business website. So this website is the e-commerce website. Issue is the sect that this image is not the issue. Also this is also main space. There is also many space, only 10%, only 10% or 20% used. But issue is the CPU. This is the CPU limit is issue. The CPU limit issue, just check the issue. This is the date, 24 date. Today is 26. That means 2 days before the issue limiting is super fast. So this is the faulting issue. So unfault and 403 403 403 super many fault is limited. So also this CPU is issuing the memory, that this is the RAM limit, also RAM showing the. So check the fault, 10 fault, 16 fault, 17 fault. So how I optimize this? So this is optimized. I have optimized this website via I am installing firstly plugin. Here plugin, I have added this plugin, so you can search this. You can search this plugin like this when you're typing this. So this plugin is come. So this plugin open and come this plugin setting. Sorry, where is the plugin? So I'm going this setting. Check the here is block cutter lock. Click this and showing is 14,000 event already comes. So all event already come. You have to research this which traffic comes here. So this is the same rush bot comes here. So this type is same rush bot or others. The first time we have researched this is web index bot, something like the user agent was the like same dashboard comes to this website. So within 5 seconds, within 5 minutes, the more than 1,000 request comes from the web index. That's why this website was showing this issue to you. The CPU is heavy loaded. Now present is loaded is very low. So issue when this step bot comes, you can solve this. You can solve this by Cloudflare development mode or shape mode. You can run this immediately. This issue has been solved. Also, you can run this Cloudflare rule, security rule, as a user agent block or user agent manage issue. You can run this. So after running this issue, you can run the same rush bot block from your for this domain. So you can write the security rules, add a name security rules, and put user agent and contents, and put this same rush bot. So this type, any type bot you can add here. So to check how to check this who is bot you have to block. So after install this plugin, this is our plugin block catalog. So this block catalog will show you who is traffic disturbing your website and why your server has been blocked. Heavy load because of your bot traffic comes through to your server, and that's why your server is heavy loading and heavy resources getting limited. So that's why you run this application, you run this block, and you will check this type user agent will disturbing your website. So you can lock or you can block or you can add manage this type bot for your domain by Cloudflare rules. After this time, this website you can check. Now you can check this in the server every 0% loaded now. The 0% loaded now. So this type is the 0% loaded now. That means 0% bot this comes to here. So you can follow these rules to develop your server to live against from any type of bot. You will enjoy this. Thank you.